I had a chance to meet with our colleagues at ONGC who are putting together multiple agents to be able to bring the sophistication of what I'll call upstream analysis to the field engineer and connecting the stream across those two things, right? So this is, again, like this is not me talking about something, but this is a real deployment that's happening at a public sector, in organization like ONGC, in a critical industry like the energy sector. Tech Mahindra, for example, again, built out their own multi-agent framework such that they can start deploying sophisticated multi-agent systems in the real world here. They've also then translated this so that it's available even for people to be able to use it in all the regional Indian languages, right? Again, democratizing access to building sophisticated systems. And so these are just examples of at-scale people building AI systems. And so the last part of the stack is, of course, infrastructure. And the most important consideration for creating these token factories is this one formula, which is tokens per rupees per watt, right? If you sort of say where, in fact, I'll be so bold as to say that GDP growth and this equation will have strong correlation. Because if you can go in and drive the efficiency of this, and then tokens are being produced, then health outcomes, education outcomes, public sector efficiency, private sector competitiveness, all will fundamentally be changed. And to that end, we're building out Azure as the world's computer. In fact, right here in India, we're thrilled about sort of all the data center capacity that is coming live. We already have stuff in Pune and in Chennai and Mumbai. And we're very excited of the India South Central, which is in Hyderabad, that's going to come up next year. And so this is going to be the next big data center region for us, which is going to be scaled very rapidly. One of the things we're very proud of is it's 100% renewable power. And so it's great to see us thinking about the tokens per dollar per watt with sustainability as a front and center priority. And not only are we building all this infrastructure, but we're also building it with real sovereignty controls, right? Because sovereignty is a super important topic. Everyone wants to make sure that they can control both the control plane, the data plane, and the application tier. And so we're building multiple options. There's the public cloud with sovereignty option. There is the private cloud option. There is, in fact, work we've done with various partners in here to be able to offer these private cloud options. And of course, we have even the Geo Azure region, which is operated by an Indian partner in that case. So we have all of these options. We're also excited about that Copilot now has all of its data processing happening in India. So it's no longer about any of the data going outside of the country. So we have local data processing happening for Copilot. So that's another big step we have taken to ensure the sovereignty of all of these services. But one of the other elements that I think is important for people to recognize is that with sovereignty, you also want to ensure world-class cybersecurity and cyber resilience. And when it comes to cyber, it's an intelligence game. It's a signals game.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.